So for this video, we'll be showing some examples on how to convert a number from mixed to improper fraction and vice versa. So let us first recall what we mean by mixed as well as improper fractions. So say for example, if we have two wholes and we divide it by 2, so say we shade this part and this part and this part, then we can represent this fraction as 1, since this one is 1 whole, so 1 and 1/2. Or in improper fraction, we can express this as 3/2, since there are 3 shaded parts when we divide these wholes by 2. So now let's go on and start giving some examples. So our first example is 2 1/3. Now the key in converting a mixed fraction to an improper fraction is we start off by multiplying these two. So if we multiply 2 and 3, we will have here 2 times 3, which is simply 6. Then the next step is to add the other number in the numerator, in this case 1, and the denominator remains the same. So we have the improper fraction is written as 7/3. Let's try more examples. Now feel free to pause the video so you can try it out for yourself. So if we have 7 1/2, again we multiply these two, that would give us 14, add 1 all over 2, that would give us 15/2. As simple as that. Let's try a larger number. Say if we have 11 5/8. So again, we multiply this two. 11 times 8 would give us 88 plus 5 all over 8. Now 88 plus 5 is 93 all over 8. So observe here that clearly the important step in here is the multiplication part out here, the denominator, as well as the whole number beside it. So that's the key part. Let's try one more example, a larger one. So if we have 70 91 over 100, again we multiply these two, that give us 7,000 plus 91 all over 1,000, and that would give us 7,091 all over 1,000. As simple as that. Let's go on and try converting an improper to mixed fraction. For our first example, let's have 8/3. Now the key to convert improper in mixed fraction is to simply apply division and observe the remainder. So for this one, we have 8 divided by 3. Oops. Let me move this first, or let's resize it like that. So this would give us 2, 6, and we have this one, a remainder of 2. Now, given this one, we can now write 8/3 in its improper fraction form. So we have first this whole number out here. Oh, let's use a different one. This whole number out here is what we put as the whole number in the mixed fraction. Then this remainder is the one left in the numerator, since it is a remainder, so it is something that is still left in the fraction. And again, we just copy the denominator, or the one that we used in divide. So we have converted 8/3 into its mixed fraction. Let us try more examples. So if we have 20/7, applying division again would give us 20. So this would give us 2, 14, and 6. So we have a remainder of 6. So if we will write this again, 2 out here goes here. The 6, the remainder is the one left in the numerator, and the denominator remains the same. So this is its conversion into mixed fraction. Now let us try another example. Say if we have 57 over 10. So let's try dividing. So we have 10 all over 57. So this would give us 5. So this one is 50/7. So we have a remainder of 7. So we can again now write 57/10 in its mixed fraction form, which is again 5 out here, the remainder 7 all over 10. Now if you are having some trouble in dividing, there is another method on how to solve this, but it will involve addition of fractions. But just to show a glimpse of it, so say if we have here 57/10, note that we can actually write out 57 as 50 plus 7 all over 10. Now this is also equal to 50/10 plus 7/10. Now 50/10 would simply simplify right here into 5 plus 7/10, or simply 5/7/10. So that is another way on how to convert improper to mixed fraction, but it will involve some addition of fraction, which we haven't discussed yet. So I suggest that we focus first on this method, this process out here. But if you already know addition of fraction, you can do this one. Let's try one last example using the two methods. So if we have 411 over 100. First, we can divide, and that would give us 4. Let's use a different color. That would give us 4. So this one is 400 over the remainder, which is 11. So we can write this out as 4, and the numerator is 11 all over 100. If we try to apply the method a while ago, we can actually observe that we can split 411 into 400 plus 11 all over 100, which again would give us 400 over 100 plus 11 over 100, which would cancel out the 2 zeros out here, giving us 4 plus 11 over 100. Oops, sorry about that. Or 4 and 11 over 100, which is same to the outcome that we got. So again, in this video, we have first recalled what we mean by improper and mixed fractions. Then we follow with converting mixed fractions to improper, and for this one we showed how to convert improper to mixed fraction. So again, that is all for the video. Hope you've learned a lot in this one. Thanks and goodbye.